Oh look, I found another animatronic Santa Claus. This one cost me £1.99 at the British Heart Foundation charity shop. And this one's sound activated, so I'm just going to clap my hands and he should start. Yeah, there you go. ZZ Top does Santa Claus, I guess. A little bit disappointing, to be honest, because he just shakes. So we will take him apart, but I think all we're going to find is a motor with a weight on it, so that it makes him vibrate. And obviously it's also got a sensor in there to be sound activated. Yeah, just ripping the Velcro off is enough to set him off. So, is he going to come apart easily? It's got glue around the edge. I'll work the glue off. In fact, I think it's coming off relatively easily. Go. Yeah, pretty disappointing. No motor and waving arms or anything. In fact, I can even see through the holes there that it is just a vertically standing motor with a weight on it. We'll undo it. I think I need a small screwdriver for that. Right, I might knock the camera a bit because I'm sitting well behind it at the moment. I like this one because it's different, sings a different tune, but I dislike it due to its lack of mechanics. It's very basic. Is that going to come out easily? No. So, yeah, there we are. Just a motor with a big weight on it. That'll be the receiver or microphone, and that'll be the loudspeaker. And then the circuitry there, which is interesting, and it's just sort of ordinary discrete components apart from the black blob. The black blob would be the bit that's got the audio in it, I should think. So, turn it back on again. Whoa. Obviously a bit more sensitive when it hasn't got the sound deadening over it. If I just shout loud enough. Not very loud. I'm just trying to see how quiet I can be and still set it off. Oh yeah. off again. Right, see if we can just demonstrate that again. I'll put it down as quietly as I can. Yeah, so not a lot to see really. I mean, I've no doubt if I took that out we could possibly trace the track out, but I'm not going to. And we could read all the transistor serial numbers. The one I can see there is UTC M28S AK08. How about that one? Well, that's a 9014 there. That's a 9014. Can't quite see what that one is. No, I'd need to get a magnifying glass to look at that one. Yep, well, that's all that's inside that Santa. A little bit disappointing. They could have done so much more. Well, there really wasn't much to do to put him back together. I haven't put the glue back though. We've got a company name, Great American Fun Corp. Item number 14304. Made in China. Okay, well, he works. And he's that little bit different. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.